started with $100, now standing at $4,190 in just 31 days. My target is to make $100,000 in 75 days. It's day 32, and in this video I will trade in front of you on 1 minute expiry. Will share my strategy in detail, will explain you the whole concept and setup in detail so that you guys can apply the same while trading. Let's go. We have a trading opportunity here. So I placed the first trade in the downward direction. Let me explain you the whole setup. So if you look carefully, the price was near to this resistance zone, and after reaching this resistance zone, if you look carefully, this candle shows selling entry. This candle shows again the sellers pushed. The buyers tried to control but failed to break the previous high. Let me zoom in. The last candle was a strong candlestick confirmation which also broke the recent support level. Now, if you focus on these candlestick pattern, you will find that price is showing that buyers are losing their control, sellers are trying to control, buyers trying again, failed, and sellers to control. After breaking this support level, it is a clear indication that these sellers will take price in the downward direction because it was a clear breakout. This is the recent support level. So this is a reversal trading strategy. In reversal trading strategy, we wait for the price to get weaker. We have this weak price action here. Second thing, we need strong candlestick confirmation at a strong resistance or support level. Here we have this strong resistance zone. Price is weak. We have the strong confirmation which also broke the recent support, suggesting one thing only, that price will go down, and that's why we took that trade. Now I can see that price is falling, and the next stop for the price is this particular support level. So what we can do, we can wait for the price to reach this level to take one reversal trade, because the price will not break instantly, I guess, and it will give us a 1 minute expiry reversal trade here. So I'm going to use that support level to place a reversal trade, or if we get any candlestick confirmation here for a reversal, we will go for a trade. Right now, if you look carefully, these two candles shows selling pressure going down. If this candle formed as a strong bullish candle, we can go for our reversal trade again in the upside direction. But for that, this candle needs to close above this recently formed resistance level. Let's see if we can have that. The price is showing that buyers wants to take, now you can see the rejection. So if the candle doesn't close above, we will not go for any trade. We need a strong candlestick confirmation. Let's wait for that. Now this candle is not a strong candlestick confirmation. It got rejection and it closes below, which means that price, the buyers are not that strong. Although the sellers lost their control here and they were not able to push the market below this level, the buyers are still not that strong that they can took the market in the upside direction. So we need strong candlestick confirmation from the buyers. What we are required here for a reversal is not the sellers getting weaker. We want sellers to be dead and the buyers taking control. If there is a fight, then you should not go for a trade. Like if the sellers are pushing in the downward direction and the buyers are pushing in the upside direction, then you should not trade in that situation. What you need is one party to get dead and the other party to take control. Like in this case, here, this was the sellers, then indecision, then buyers to control, buyers to control. What does it mean? It means that sellers now are not controlling the market, the buyers are controlling, and that's why the price went up. And in that case only you will go for a trade. Do not trade if you are not confident. You have to look which party is dead and which party you should go with. Like in this case, currently, this is a strong Marubozu bearish candle which shows sellers are aggressive. This is a buying zone. Now at buying zone, you have buyers. And if the price is not getting weaker, this candle is not a weak candle, which means that sellers are aggressive or strong. If the sellers are strong at a buying zone, what does it mean? It means that the price can go down. What we need here is a weakness in the selling so that the buyers can take control and can take the price in the upside direction. For that, we need sellers to be dead, or in this case, as you can see, the sellers are showing some weakness, but this candle does not show that the buyers are interested. The sellers are getting weaker, but the buyers' interest cannot be seen, and that's why taking a reversal trade in that case is a risky thing. What we need sellers to be dead and buyers to be active in order to take a reversal trade here. Right now, price is falling, and let's see, the next reversal point is here. This is the next buying zone. Let's see if the price can reverse from this level. And you can see, what do you see? You see that the sellers are trying, but the buyers are also putting some energy, which means that if the price after sometimes get weaker, you can expect reversal. But if the price doesn't get weaker, the sellers doesn't lose their control and power, then taking a reversal trade is a risky thing until and unless you have a very, very strong support or resistance level, and this is not a very strong level. You can use this level as a strong level to take a reversal trade, but when you are trading in between, you want the sellers or the buyers to take full control. Right now we don't have that. That's why we are not doing anything. Let's wait for a clear candlestick confirmation. Once I have that, I will take the trade and will explain you the setup in detail. I think we have a trading opportunity here. Price is standing at a support zone. This is a strong zone. The last candle was strong and it closes above the support level, but as the candle was strong, I didn't place a reversal trade. I'm waiting for this candle to form. If this candle formed and it closes above the level, we can go for a reversal trade because the price will then hold the zone. Let me update the level first. So this is our support level. If this candle closes above, we can go for a reversal trade and we will place our trade near to this support level. We'll not place any trade here or here. Now you can see the candle closes above, so we place our trade at the very support level. This is a strong support level which worked previously. It's a swing low, and here also the price is respecting that level. The reason why I place this trade is because this is a strong support level and I'm expecting that price will go up. Second, if we look at the candlestick, this candle got rejection from the support and it closes above, meaning the buyers are still controlling, because if the sellers were that strong, that they must have broke that particular support level. After that, the next candle also tried to break but failed and it closes above again, meaning buyers are controlling. And if we place our trade at a support level, then the chances of us winning that trade are high, because the price can go down, but if the price is not breaking this support level, then the chances of reversal are high. So this was our second trade, and let's see if this particular candle will close above, then we can go for another reversal trade. Till now we have taken two trades, both are in the profit. Let's take one last trade of this session and then we will wrap up this session in profit. The candle closes above, which means that I can take one more shot in the upside direction if the price goes down, but this will be the last reversal trade that I will take using this support level, because after that the price can break this level, because I can see that here the price failed to create new low and it is reversing, which means that the buyers are strong inside this zone. So I'm going to use this zone for one last reversal trade. I'm waiting for the price to hit this zone and then I will place the reversal trade. I want our entry inside this zone. The price is rejecting from the support level, but I want my entry inside the zone. Yes. Okay, so our entry is wrong because of the instant rejection, but I placed my trade inside this level. As soon as the price went inside, I placed the trade, but because there was sudden rejection, our entry is wrong. But let's see if we can have a profitable trade. The price reversed very quickly, which is a good thing. So let me explain you this setup. This setup is exactly the same as we did in the last trade. The price shows weakness. It failed to break the support level, and I wanted to enter inside this zone because this is a buying zone and the buyers are now controlling the price here. Even if the candle closes here, we will still have a profitable trade. But if our entry is inside this zone, then we can have a better safety because the price can close at the very support level. But as the price is failing to break the support zone, entering inside this zone is better because you can only lose when the price break this zone. Otherwise, you will have profitable trade. And that's why I took that trade. So final breakdown for today. We took 3 trades, made profit in all of them, made around $600. Final balance $4,792. That is it for today. We'll see you tomorrow.